What's up, our lovely Singaporeans? So today is 7th August and then it's 1:48 p.m. Guys, got some exciting news to share with you guys. For DJI product, it's all restocked again. Especially for this top selling model, Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Right now we are in stock again for today, right? It's total 13 unit. And then the Action 5 Pro for those like they want to travel around or they want to install in the bike, right? This one, very good product, okay? So this one is Pocket 3, just individual without the combo set. Also restock again. So today, 10 unit only, okay? So if anyone looking for DJI product, right, feel free to come to our shop. Okay, I see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Happy Thursday, guys. Have you seen? 15 Pro Max. Guys, we just uploaded yesterday night. Our followers just come and support already. Thank you so much. So 15 Pro Max, so brand new shoe set. So friend, where you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Thank you so much our followers support. So since buying full cash, friend, can choose one.
Choose
This
one.
one, okay. Open.
Open,
This one very good man. Buy the phone for her, for his sister.
have makan money.
How much?
$10.
$10, Okay, something. So the man can ask our follower come and support, please.
ওকে দেশি ভাইরা আসসালামু আলাইকুম আপনারা সবাই আসবেন এই টেম্পানিসি দোকানে ভাইয়ের ব্যবহার খুবই ভালো আমি একটা নতুন আইফোন নিলাম আপনারা সবাই ভাইয়ের কাছে আসবেন ভালো ব্যবহার আছে ভালো ফোন আছে
Okay, ধন্যবাদ. Thank you.